Hi everyone, as you know I'm the founder of SOS Orlando and we are launching CASA Culture. It's an arts equity and entrepreneurship development model with Latino and Black-led organizations that are coming together to be able to exercise their entrepreneurship skills and really highlight diversity in the arts. This is the home of 100.7 FM. It's a nonprofit radio station serving the Central Florida community. And I want to give a shout out to Efrain Gonzalez, who's the founder and general manager, for trusting in this model and holding hands and jumping off that cliff with me. All of these computer stations are being set up so entrepreneurs can come here and use them for free. And we also have, look at this baby right here, a massive copier that's also going to be at the community's disposal. This is the only room that's actually set up with the radio station. This is all of Efrain's stuff. And we're really excited, but there's so much more work to do and I need your help. Efrain, don't scold me, I promise you, I won't touch any of your buttons. This is the room where we need some help. It's going to be a multi-purpose room that we're calling the Culture Factory. And here we already have the green screen wall painted so everybody can have access to it and do some video recording. We're gonna teach you how to do it. But then also we need to install some wooded floor. Okay, if you are available on December 5th to come and install some flooring here at the Fashion Square Mall, second floor at Casa Culture next to Dillard's, please come. We're gonna have a pizza party because we need to make sure that this room is ready for training, for workshops, for dance routines and practices, for crafts, for artisans to meet, for training. I already said that. It's just gonna be a really great room for the community to be able to access to a space for free to develop their craft and their entrepreneurship skills. So give me a call. If you can't come, then just make a donation, okay? We need to keep the lights on and we can only do it if everyone comes together. Thanks.